Okay, so here's an example of how to make your WordPress blog look like it's in your root directory. So here's a website that I've just finished developing and about to go live. So you can see what the URL is up here where it currently lives, which is in a subdirectory called new WP. And what I want is for it to show up as the main directory. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to so let me move this little guy out of the way. I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard and go into the general settings. So we've got settings over here. Here's general. And I need to take out that subdirectory there so that the site address, the URL, actually looks like the root directory. Okay, I'm going to save the changes here. And what just doing that is going to do, it's going to change a file called the htaccess file. Super important that your permalinks over here have been changed so that they're not using, question mark and a number for your files. They're actually using the name of your files. So we're in Dreamweaver now, and I'm going to go make sure that I'm in my Urban Souls. It's the name of this shoe store in that site. I'm looking at the remote listing right here. I'm going to refresh that listing to make sure because I had it open before. And here's what I'm going to do. See, these are that's the directory, new WP, where this lives. So these are the ones that I need. I'm going to select them both and I'm going to get them so that I can edit them. I don't need dependent files, and there they are. So now I'm going to go to my local listing here. I'm going to close that file, but I'm looking at my local view, and you can see this is the directory, new WP. I'm going to move these over. Now it's important that you don't do this when you're actually on the remote. You can do it in the local view, and I find that it's just easy because then, easy to do it this way. That's the root directory right there because it'll ask me, should I update the links in this file? And the answer to that is yes, you should. Because that just saves you a step here. So I'm going to open up this index.php file, which is now in my root directory. And let's make sure that it looks the way it's supposed to. Yes, it does. And this is what we're looking for, which is the require new WP, the header.php file. That's looking at the right directory. So that's going to make sure that right there will tell the server to pull the right file and pull the right directory for your files. Okay. So now I can close that. And what I need to do is I can close that directory because it's this index.php. Whoopsies, I didn't mean to open that. Index.php and this htaccess here that are now in the root directory, and I'm going to upload those. Yes, I'm going to put them there. No, I don't need dependent files. And now when I go to Urban Souls, when I go visit the website, you'll see that voila, it's in the root directory. How cool is that? So now all of my pages come up without that subdirectory going on, and nobody is the wiser. Keeps everything organized. Hope this was helpful, and yeah, that's it.